Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 7, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in with the 2 cells. Fifth row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 5th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 7, 8. 10th row, then column H, we have 5. So 5 can come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. Column H, column I, we have 8. So 8 can come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can come this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 9, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, then column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row and second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade and 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column J also we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. column B, column D, and third row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column H we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come even the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Fifth row on column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come even the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come even with the 3 cells, we will confirm later. First grade and second grade we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second row and fourth row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. Column F 3 and 9, it will come in the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second grade only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column G only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column E 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Fifth row we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Seventh row 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 7. Column J, column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Third row in column D we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, column D, and third row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Third row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row and column D we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column C we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column C 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Third row we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. First grade 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column B we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column B only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column H we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column J we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fourth grade, only one number ceremony, one is confirmed here. Column J, two numbers are remaining 3 and 9. Sixth grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining 2 and 3. Column I, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column I, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. Third grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Sixth row, only one number is remaining 2, 2 is confirmed here. Column H, two numbers are remaining 1 and 4. Second row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.